So, is Vettel moving to Aston Martin in 2021? My name is Afraid Racer, and I'm here to tell you why that is the right choice for Vettel. So, first of all, if he retires now, it would definitely be a bit disgraceful. As we all know, he's been trying to win the title with Ferrari since 2015, and if he retires now, it's just going to come across that he's failed to do it, and there won't be much of a positive feeling when he retires, right? So, think of the way Massa retired. He was in a midfield team, but he was helping to develop the car. He was being a mentor to his teammate, and he got a really rousing farewell because of that. But when someone like Alonso retired, he's coming back, but still, when he retired, people didn't really have too many positive feelings over his retirement. It wasn't really a farewell Alonso or anything. It's just like, dude's grown tired of McLaren, let him go, right? So, retirement is definitely not a great option for Vettel. Not at this moment, at least. There's not many teams available with seats right now, but Aston Martin is the right choice because, first of all, they're in the midfield, right? There's no title pressure for Vettel, and we all know that he has a tendency to spin out a bit under pressure. So, the lower pressure might actually lead to him driving better than he did in Ferrari. So he can also help to develop the car. He's been with F1 for a long time now. He's seen all the different types of engines, all the different aerodynamic regulations, and I think he would be a great asset in making Aston Martin competitive once they come to F1. Let's face it, Vettel is quite famous. Wherever he goes, there'll be eyes on him. So if he's at Aston Martin, it might actually benefit the team and their sponsors, as they might get more TV coverage if Vettel goes to Aston Martin. So it's a win-win situation for both of them. Aston Martin will also have a lot less politics than Ferrari. So in a less pressurized environment and having a good relationship with his team and his engineers might actually let Vettel compete a bit better. Who knows, he might even get some podiums. Vettel also wants to race. He has enough money, but I think his reputation and his interest in driving are more at stake than money if he wants to stay in F1, right? So Aston Martin is also better than IndyCar or WEC or something because he still gets to drive in F1. Like I said, he might even be able to get some podiums, so he gets to go out with respect if he chooses to retire afterwards. He'll also face less pressure from his teammate. So Lance Stroll is good, but he's no Charles Leclerc, right? So having Vettel outdo his teammate for some races might actually give him a confidence boost, and it'll probably help him compete even better. He can also give Lance some handy tips since he's probably a bit closer to him on raw pace than Leclerc. Vettel also needs to take a step back and compete at a bit of a lower level. He's been trying to win titles for the last 5 years, but I'm not sure he has it in him anymore. So I think the best thing to do would be to compete with a slower team, and maybe instead of trying to win the title, he should just go for some podiums and some points. So that would be better because he doesn't really have the raw pace anymore to win titles. Aston Martin will also give Vettel a new lease of life. He's been seen with Lawrence Stroll, and there have been huge rumors going around of him signing for Aston Martin. So who knows, maybe the contract's already in progress as we speak. Maybe he's even signed the contract. Let's face it, he doesn't really have anywhere else to go in F1 either. The top 3 don't want him. McLaren and Renault are already contracted with their drivers. Alfa Romeo has Mick Schumacher, Tatiana Calderon, and Robert Kubica waiting in the wings, and I'm pretty sure they'll prefer all of these 3 over Vettel. Williams is probably a bit slow for Vettel. I don't think he'll want to go there. Plus, they already have George Russell, Nicholas Latifi. They already have the financial backing. Haas and AlphaTauri are probably still open, but I don't think they'll suit Sebastian as much as Aston Martin. So, Sebastian Vettel, if you're watching this, the best bet for you is to move to Aston Martin, help them develop the car for 1 year. If you're not competitive, at least you can retire gracefully. This has been Afraid Racer, and thanks for watching.